Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the theme on your Bitwarden Desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and select the file in the top left corner. Now go over to settings and right here, let's hide the security and preferences because we need to focus on app settings for all accounts. Now here we will have the theme. As you guys can see, we can select the dark theme, we can select the light one. It's totally up to us and it's up to our preference. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.